Welcome to the Towb Transactions page. Here you can view and manage all your orders in one place. At the top, click Create New Order to start a new transaction. This button will take you directly to the New Transaction tab. The summary boxes show your overall order status: pending orders, orders on way, completed orders, canceled orders, and total orders. Use the filters to search by date range, currency, order ID, or beneficiary name. You can also export your data using copy, CSV, Excel, print, or PDF. Each row shows your order details, including currency, quantity, rate, amount, fee, status, and date. In the Action column, click the three dots. From here, you can view order details, view the receipt, or download the receipt. This page helps you easily track and control all your transactions.